How to report a problem to Facebook? First of all, you have to open Facebook application and then make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this menu section, scroll all the way down and select Help and Support. And then when the drop down appears, you have to select Report a Problem option. And then you have to select Continue to report a problem. And if you want to shake your phone, then you can tap on OK. And then after you shake your phone, you can easily go to another page. But for now, let's tap on Report a Problem and tap on Continue to report a problem. Wait until Facebook is creating a report, and then if you wish to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report, you can select Include, otherwise you can choose Don't Include button. And then you need to select a product where you want to report a problem and the issue that you have been facing. Suppose if you are facing the issue with photos, or if you are facing the issue with profile, then you can select the product here and select profile. If you have any screenshot of that issue that you are facing, then you can easily upload a picture of that screenshot from your phone. Simply you need to tap on Upload from Phone button and upload the attachment here. After that, you can tap on the box and describe the issue that you have been facing. After you have described the issue to Facebook, you can simply tap on the airplane icon at the top right corner of the screen, then the report will be sent. After certain hours or 24 hours, the report will be approved by Facebook, and then your issue will be completely solved by Facebook team. That is how we report a problem Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates.